パカッて外す感じですね。
Can you show me the cotton candy? Whoa.
It's really
One. Hey, you cannot. You can't choose, Lai. Just one, please. One. You can't catch? Just one. Show the lady. She's gonna show you. Look. Open. 4 plays. Small one. Which one you want? That one? Cat? Oh, they don't give you prize, it's just like paper. This is, you know the fortune cookie? When we go to Chinese restaurant, the cookie, there's a message inside. It's like that. How do you like that smell? Ooh. Yeah.
まあこの触れたところを畑じゃなくて耳でも頭にやるんですよ。で、はい。動画が入ってる。全部。Okay, let's go. I see it. It's on the right side. Right there. Yeah, I see it.
Wait, are you gonna do it?
You do it.
What?
You do it again. Should I do it?
I can't.
Okay, give it. One. There you go. And you give it to her?
还想再玩一次。再玩一次。妈妈。
Four again.
Okay, I should let you.
And then pick one. This one. They all sing. Okay. Just one line, one. Yeah, you're patient and then you got to ride the Mario game. This one's like a husky. He wants to see the camera. It's okay, it's okay. They want food. Oh, they took it. 나를 꽉 잡고 있어요.
I know who I am.
Sit down here.
Why?
This one's really nice. This one don't bite.
Oh.
Yeah, that one.
Oh. How do you know?
That one's really nice. Just pet them. They're not gonna bite you. That one's really nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh.
Look.
Oh, you almost bit me.
Just put it on the ground.
I
You give it to him?
yeah, I give
Sure.
it to him. Okay, okay.
Hope so.
없었어.
They're not gonna bite you.
I touched his nose. But Chio's dog has more feathers.
Here. You want to give it to him?
I want to touch his.
No, they don't like it when they touch. Yeah.
Wait,
Only the head, okay?
But the black one doesn't even bite me. The black one likes it. Hold this, Dad. Hold this for the guy. Oh, he's looking around in circles. Oh! He was gonna go on my side. He's not very gentle. He's like kind of rough.
It's rough?
Yeah, he's rough. Isn't he? Remember you wanted to feed him with the. Maybe you can see on that. They say it's what? What did they say? Did they say something on that? What did they call it? What did they call it?
Where's the dog? Where's the cat?
It's right there.
It's sleeping.
Oh, there's two in here.
There's two.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, it woke up. He woke up.
Okay, let me.
His eyes are kind of scary, huh?
Yeah, look at her eyes. It's so round. It's so scary. It looks like he's in a clothes.
There's a screen, and then if you go, it's a mirror.
This is kind of a weird place.
Okay, spin it. Slowly. Oh yeah, like that. Like that. Spin slowly.
Oh, no, you
Spin more.
yeah.
Spin more.
Wait. Am I gonna do it now?
No, just close it. Just close the door. Just spin. Yeah, slowly. Little more. Little more. Little more. Little more. Little more. 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 Spin more. Oh, more. 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 Oh, more.
No, actually, that's enough. That's actually humongous.
Oh.
I wasn't ready yet.
What are you doing? Are you flying? Pretend what? Flying? Are you flying? Technique, huh?
It's a technique. If you get dizzy, you can stop looking at them.
What about this hat? Froggy hat?
Aw.
Is it cute?